Idiots. And so they're gonna do the cinnamon challenge. And so as they get ready, okay, let's watch them get ready. That's Gabri. She's stupid. That's Alex. He's stupid. That's Maya. She's an idiot.
Thanks. I'm so scared. Okay, give me it.
Okay, wait. I'm gonna move back. Wait, stop. Ew. Then I don't care.
Not much. Not much.
Wait. Okay, wait. Let me scoot back so I can get all of you.
I'm taking that much. That's
You're
all.
so stupid. So.
No, you have to do more.
Not the spoonful.
No, it's not. You have to
Those
do
are
more.
idiots. You don't need to take that much. You need to take.
Okay, are you ready?
Okay. I'm just gonna demonstrate for all you stupid people. You realize this is a spoonful? That is a way more than a spoonful.
Okay, fine, here.
This is the smartness. This is
Okay.
survival of the fittest here.
Okay, one,
Ready?
one, two, three.
See?
Oh my God! Are you okay, Maya?
You guys are so stupid.
This is the most disgusting thing in the world. I'm crying. Alex, do it.
No, I've already done this before with a ladle. I don't need to do it again. I know. It's awful, isn't it?
The worst thing I've ever done to myself.
Oh my God. Ew.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Why do we do this to ourselves? Wait, why does it hurt so badly?
It hurts, doesn't it? It gets stuck right there.
I thought I was gonna vomit. I was like, for a second there, I'm like, oh my God, it's coming up, There's